Greetings, everybody. In this tutorial, I just want to show you how I produce my thumbnails using Microsoft PowerPoint. In most cases, when people think of designing, they think of those sophisticated softwares. But what I just want to tell you is that, Microsoft PowerPoint is a very versatile piece of software. If you know how to manipulate it, if you know how to play around with its settings and the design parameters. Let me show you how I design my thumbnails using Microsoft PowerPoint. This can also apply to designing posters and any kind of design that you want to produce. Stay tuned. Thank you for tuning in. Right, welcome everybody. So now what I'm doing, I'm just searching for images, for in-and-upper images online. Of course, when you are searching, take note of copyright issues. So now I'm just scanning through for an epic image, that I think it's good. Right. I'm now downloading it from the internet. Then it will be saved, to my local document drive and stuff. So after downloading it, I have to now copy or paste it in PowerPoint, or maybe drag and drop it in PowerPoint, right, like this. Now it's now in PowerPoint. So now it's time now to design our thumbnail. You have to position it according to your liking. So now we have to go to design, under design there, so that we pick our preferred background and color. You just have to experiment, around it. Right, this green one and the stuff. Let me see. Right. Okay. Right. Let's see again. Let's continue searching. I just need something, that can flash well. Right. I think this one flashes the image well. That background flashes that in-and-upper image well. Then now I have to send the text back. You have to send the text in front by sending the in-and-upper image back, so that the text appears layered in front of the in-and-upper image. Then you write there in-and-upper, you then write your text there. Right. You take your time just to position yourself well there. Right. So now I'm trying just to edit the text to make sure that it is centered well and the stuff. You have also to select your font size, of which I'll show you ahead. Right, how to remix like in-and-upper. So now that's our headline there. Right, let me just refine it. I have to center it now so that it's centrally placed there. Right. So now I'm now choosing my font size there. My font size, you have to make sure at least the main headline is visible. Right, in-and-upper now. Everything is central there. So that's our basic. So now we continue just to further refine this. Right. Now let's just edit that how to remix, like, just to fine tune it. Maybe if I can use another font size. Yeah, let's see what we can do there. Good. Right. You know, PowerPoint is a very powerful software. It's a versatile software if you know what to do or how to use it. You know, so many people underestimate it and the stuff. You know, right? So let's lay it just below the head there. How to remix like N on up. Right. So now we can further maybe put some shadows around that. Right, let's make it bold. So now we have bolded it, right? You know, there are many functions, there are many features which one can experiment with. If you want to make it appear as if it's cancelled like that, it's up to you and the stuff. Just to show you excuse me, you know, some of the capabilities of PowerPoint, right? Then now let's further edit this just to make sure that at least our text is spot on. Right, so for me, I just choose to place everything centrally. Right, so now that's our basic structure. Let's see now what we can do further. Then now we go to insert, then we pick our design there, our shape. You know what we want to do now, we just want to put some edges around the poster. So now you know, I picked a triangle, so I have to position it in a stylish manner just around that image. Then I have to further edit it. Right, and under insert there, I have to click to undo shape fill. Right, right. So now, as you can see, that triangle now is now empty. There's nothing filled inside there. Then I have to change the weight of those edges, those white lines there. I have to select the weight of it just to make sure that at least it is visible. Right, then now we have to send back the triangle. What I just want it to cut and go behind the image and go behind the upper image. So now what I'm trying to do now is to send it back. Right, now it's now at the back. As you can see, the triangle now is layered behind the main image, the upper image. So that's the design that I want to do. Right, so now we now have our triangle there shaped behind like that. Then what you need to do is to select another triangle. Right, these are the triangle, we have to put it opposite there, we have to rotate it. Right, let's rotate it because I just want that main vertex to be by the corner there. Then you have to expand it. Right, put it by the corner there. Then you have to pull it up to a certain point, right, like that. Then we repeat that same procedure that we did with the first triangle. We remove the fill there inside, we deactivate it, then it's empty. Then we fix our weight. Then we can choose whether we want dashed lines, dotted lines, or continuous lines. For this triangle, I want dashed lines just to make it stylish. So now we are choosing our weight there. Right, that's our dashed line there. Then with this triangle, I don't want it to go behind the image. I just want it to stay in front of the upper image, so that it will appear as if upper is inside an envelope and inside the triangles. Right. our thumbnail is coming up. Then we have to just manipulate the centrality of the image, you know. Right, that's our thumbnail there. It looks unique, you see, something like that. And if you show someone this image, one will think maybe it was some sophisticated software, but you know, it's just PowerPoint. It's simply PowerPoint. So then we can try to format the image. Just want to play around with the intensity of color there. Right, let's see what we can do to further improve this. Right, so you just have to make sure that you know every portion is central. Our shapes there, you know, they are just centrally fixed and stuff. Right, we can just try to refine our text there. If you want to put shadows, it's up to you and the stuff, you know, that's the option for shadows. Let's experiment and see what can come out. Yes, I think, yeah, it's cool as it is there. It's cool as it is. Then let's format the picture. Maybe if we can play around with the intensity, the color correction and the stuff, you know. But I think as it is cool because you know that background picture in the image, you know, they flash well. It's somewhat like a dark green color, the stuff, you see. Right, something like that. Well, how to remix like in on up, as you can see, it's just classic, it's just simple. Because in the world of designing, you have to understand that simplicity is the mark of a genius, you know. Sometimes you don't need to overdo things and the stuff, you know. You just have to be simple but creative, you know. Creativity and simplicity, those are the hallmarks of a good designer. So that's our coloring there. Just want to make, you know, those text more visible. But as it is, it's visible because you know the texts are written in white behind a dark background, so our thumbnail will definitely come out well. Then if you are satisfied, you then save it to your disk, to your laptop, or to your destination, preferred destination. Then after that, yeah, you save it there. This is our poster, final poster. Yeah.